Indian Army has released a notification of Army Recruitment Rally. Only mains are applicable for this post. Today, in this video, I am going to show you the full details of registration and application process in step by step. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then I will request you to subscribe and be a part of our family. And do not forget to press the bell icon for future job notification. Watch this video till the end and don't miss any important steps. So hello friends, I am Soumen. Welcome to my channel Government Jobs Query. Let's move on to the video. This is the official website of Indian Army, joinindianarmy.nic.in. I will give you the website link to the description box. Here, if you scroll down, you can see here the section JCO or enrollment section. In this section, you can see the rally notification option. Click on it and put your screen capture. Click on enter website button. If you click on this button, you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see all the notification that has been published earlier, and here this notification, fresh notification for Army Recruitment Rally for men by ARO Jamnagar at Devbhoomi Dewarka. If you click here, you can see the notification, and you can download also by clicking this download button. You can read this full notification later for better experience. In this video, I am showing you only those important notifications that you have to follow very carefully. I have created a Word file with those important notifications for you guys. This is my Word file. Here I have mentioned the top important information about this notification. First is rally date. The whole rally process will be held on from 1st February 2021 to 15th February 2021. And next is rally place. And the rally place is NDH High School, Devbhoomi Dewarka. And the next is from which district you can apply. People sir belongs to these 12 districts. Only those people can apply for this rally. Next, the post name. Total 7 posts are there: Soldier General Duty, Soldier Technical, Soldier Technical Aviation or Ammunition Examiner, Soldier Technical Nursing Assistant, Soldier Clerk, Storekeeper Technical, Inventory Management, Soldier Tradesman 10 pass and Soldier Tradesman 8 pass. Total 7 posts are there, and there is no vacancy count in this notification. By the way, Indian Army never released the notification with vacancy count. They recruit and train all the candidates who passed their recruitment process. And next, the online registration date. You can register yourself from 10th December 2020 to 18 January 2021. The application process has been started. To apply against this notification, first you have to register yourself, then only you can apply. Register process I am showing later. Before going to the rally site, you have to take a printout of your admit card. Admit card for the rally will be sent through your registered email address from 2nd January to 27th January. And the next is what are the important documents you have to carry for the rally site. Important documents you have to carry in original with 2 attested photocopies with them to the rally site. The documents are admit card, photographs, 20 copies of unattested passport size color photograph, all educational certificate with mark sheet, domicile certificate with photograph issued by Tahsildar or district magistrate, caste certificate if you are applicable, then religion certificate to be issued by the Tahsildar or state district magistrate, then school character certificate issued by principal or headmaster of your school, and then character certificate issued by village sarpanch or municipal corporation, then unmarried certificate issued by village sarpanch or municipal corporation. Next is relationship certificate. This certificate is applicable for SOS means son of serviceman, SOEX son of ex-serviceman, SOW son of widow, SOWW son of were widow candidates. The next is NCC certificate. If you have NCC certificate, then you are applicable for it. Then sports certificate. Sportsmen who have represented India at international level and stayed at national level within last 2 years, then his certificate is applicable for. You have to carry your affidavit certificate duly signed by candidate on 10 rupees non-judicial stamp paper. And next is you have to carry single bank account, PAN card, Aadhaar card. Next, police character certificate issued by your local police station, and residence proof issued by Sarpanch or Nagar Swap. Most important thing, you have to carry your COVID-19 medical certificate duly signed by competent medical authority like government hospital. The certificate format is mentioned in appendix. In the last, I want to show you the registration process. So for this, I am going to my browser and opening the official website. Here you can see the apply online section. To apply online, you have to register yourself. So click on register. So click on registration. Put your screen capture. Enter website. This is the full important instruction to fill online application form. You have to read all the instruction carefully, and you can check your eligibility criteria by clicking here. If you click here, you will be redirected to this page. Put your state, put your district, Tahsildar, put your height, date of birth, qualification, gender, and marital status. Here in this section you have to click on no. Here they are asking, do you belong to special category? Select anyone from the above. If you are from a special category, then choose anyone, and if you are not belong to special category, then click on it and then check eligibility. After that go back. After that click on continue button. Here you have to fill up the registration form, your personal details, select your state and your Aadhaar number, Put your Aadhaar number over here, enter your name over here, enter your father name, enter your mother name and date of birth, enter your email address and mobile number, and click on this checkbox. After filling this form carefully, click on submit button and you will be registered. Once your registration process has been completed, go to the home page of this website by clicking here and scroll down and click on apply or login button. Here you have to put your username and password and your screen capture over here. After putting all the details, click on login. Once you log in, then you can fill up your application form easily. So friends, if you face any kind of problem in further process, feel free to comment in comment box and like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, bye for now and take care.